So if you're wondering if you can connect Robinhood to TradingView, then this video is for you. Now the simple answer is no, currently it is not possible. If you open up TradingView and go to any trading section, within the trading panel right here, you can go and click search and you'll see that Robinhood currently doesn't show up. However, when you are watching this, they may have already integrated it, so I still recommend checking it. And if you then want to do it, just search for Robinhood. If it shows up, then you can go and integrate it just like any of these other ones by clicking on it and then connecting to your account. Now, if it's not there currently, that means that they haven't yet connected it. So then you have basically two options. You can use one of these other trading platforms such as Moomoo, which is pretty similar to Robinhood, or even Interactive Brokers, for example, which many people do also think are actually better platforms than Robinhood. But if you still want to just use Robinhood, the closest you can come is to do a split screen between them. Then you will still need to do these trades separately. So you will need to do your analysis on TradingView and then the trade itself on Robinhood. So unfortunately, no, currently you cannot connect TradingView to Robinhood, but still at the time you are watching this, if it is later than when I uploaded it, I recommend checking if it is possible at that specific moment, since they are expanding the amount of trading, since the amount of platforms that you can trade with is always expanding. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.